A good paint sprayer can save time, reduce effort, and give your projects a smoother, more professional-looking finish than brushes or rollers. Whether you are repainting furniture, cabinets, fences, walls, doors, or tackling larger DIY home upgrades, the right sprayer makes a huge difference in speed, control, and cleanup. Some models focus on beginner-friendly simplicity, while others offer stronger motors, cordless freedom, or better support for thicker paints. In this video, we are checking out 6 paint sprayers that stand out for versatility, spray pattern options, nozzle variety, paint flow control, and overall value for different types of painting jobs.
Number 1. VONFORN Electric Spray Paint Gun. The VONFORN 700-watt paint sprayer is a well-rounded option for users who want flexibility and extra convenience built into one package. It comes with 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, making it useful for everything from furniture and doors to walls, garden chairs, and even pickup-related projects. One of its most useful features is the blowing and cleaning function. Before painting, you can blow away dust and debris for a cleaner surface, and after painting, the included cleaning connector helps flush out leftover paint for easier maintenance. The adjustable flow control also helps reduce waste and improve finish quality. With beginner-friendly assembly and a full accessory set, it feels very complete. Number 2. MirrorZone Electric Spray Paint Gun stands out for giving you strong control over both spray width and paint flow, helping reduce overspray while improving paint efficiency. That makes it a practical choice for users who want cleaner results and better material use across different projects. It also offers 3 spray patterns and 4 nozzle sizes, so it can handle a range of coatings from thinner sealers to heavier latex paints. The inclusion of brass nozzles adds durability and easier cleaning, while the motor features temperature protection for a longer service life. Double-layer insulation adds another layer of safety during operation. With tool-free disassembly, included gloves, funnels, cleaning tools, and a high-capacity container, it is clearly designed for convenient, everyday use. Number 3. Tilswall Electric Spray Paint Gun. A lightweight HVLP paint spray gun built with comfort and beginner-friendly use in mind. Its upgraded aerospace-grade materials make it significantly lighter than traditional models, which can really help reduce fatigue during longer painting sessions like decks, walls, or masonry work. It is designed to be simple enough for first-time users, with a straightforward trigger operation that makes smooth, even coverage easier to achieve on wood, metal, and other surfaces. You also get interchangeable 1.5mm and 2.0mm nozzles, along with 3 spray patterns, giving it enough versatility for both detailed and broader tasks. The brand also highlights around-the-clock support and replacement parts, which adds peace of mind for users who value dependable after-sales service.
Number 4. YIREAL Electric Spray Paint Gun. A cordless paint sprayer that focuses on portability, efficiency, and modern convenience. Its 550-watt spray motor and 45-degree upward tilt design are built to improve visibility, reduce wrist fatigue, and produce ultra-fine paint particles for better coverage. This model also includes 2 large 1,200 milliliter paint cans and paint bags, making color changes easier and helping you work longer with fewer interruptions. A reusable metal paint filter and washable dust sponge help reduce maintenance costs while extending the tool's lifespan. One of its biggest advantages is the dual battery setup with DeWalt interface compatibility, plus Type-C and DC charging support for indoor and outdoor use. Added LED light modes make it even more versatile. Number 5. EWORK Electric Spray Paint Gun. The EWORK electric paint sprayer is a strong pick for users who want high power and solid versatility for bigger home painting jobs. Its 1,000-watt motor and improved airflow are designed to turn paint into a fine mist for smoother, streak-free results, especially on larger surfaces like fences, cabinets, doors, and walls. The large 1,400 milliliter cup also helps reduce refill interruptions, which is useful when working on extended projects. With 4 nozzle sizes, 3 spray patterns, and support for coatings up to 180 din per second, it can handle a wide range of tasks and thicker materials. Adjustable spray width and flow control help cut overspray and waste, while the simple tool-free cleanup keeps it beginner-friendly. Number 6. Batavia Electric Spray Paint Gun. The Batavia 500-watt HVLP paint sprayer is a practical choice for DIY users who want solid capacity and support for many paint types. Its 1,200 milliliter container is large enough to cover a 10 by 12 foot wall in one fill, which helps save time on bigger home improvement jobs. The motor and turbofan support paints up to 100 DIN viscosity, so it works with latex paint, stains, varnishes, lacquers, sealers, urethanes, and chalk-type paint. 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns give you flexibility for both thin and thick coatings. The adjustable flow control helps save paint and improve consistency, while ETL certification, 18-month warranty coverage, and included cleaning tools add extra value.
Product recommendation. If you want the best all-around choice, number 1 is excellent because it balances performance, easy cleaning, and useful accessories. For raw power and larger projects, number 5 stands out. If cordless freedom matters most, number 4 is the most appealing option, thanks to its battery system, portability, and flexible design. Choosing the right paint sprayer depends on the kind of projects you want to tackle, the type of paint you plan to use, and how much convenience you want during cleanup and storage. From beginner-friendly models to powerful, high-capacity options and cordless designs, each paint sprayer on this list offers something valuable for DIY painting and home improvement work. The right one can help you finish faster, waste less paint, and achieve a cleaner, more professional result. If this video helped you find the best paint sprayer for your needs, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides.